Good afternoon, my name is Trevor. I'm the Apprenticeship Director for the Heat and Frost Insulators. We are the mechanical insulation trade. What we do is we insulate all mechanical systems within buildings, whether it be commercial buildings or industrial buildings. In short, any lines that a plumber puts in, we would insulate. Any ductwork a sheet metal worker would put in, we would insulate. Any boiler systems that boilermakers put in, we would insulate those as well. There's a variety of different insulations that we use. It depends on the engineer's spec, how they want them done. We're trained in our facility to put all of those materials on. And after we're done, we can save our clients money on their energy bills, as well as cut down on greenhouse gases and CO2 emissions. I'm not sure what else you would like.
How do we apply?
To get in, you can go online and fill out an application, or you can always come in and ask for an application as well. We need a minimum of grade 12 to get in, and basic math is kind of a necessity. There is quite a bit of math within the trade. As long as, if you have high school math, you'll be able to pick up the math once we get into trade school. So like I said, just apply, and when we need people, we'd be hired. Generally, having a vehicle is beneficial, just because we're a province-wide local, and you may be asked to go, to Oakville, to Barrie, to wherever. And really, that's all I can say about that.
Okay. Can you also tell us about the benefit or the pride of being an insulator?
I mean, just the fact that we're the only trade that can guarantee our return on investment. So in a nutshell, if a client spends $100,000 on labor and material in a job, generally they'll get that money back within 8 months, and then all the cost savings that they accumulate over time, for the rest is just money in their pocket. We're the only trade that's good for the environment. We, cutting down on greenhouse gases, etc., and carbon emissions, is, in this day and age with the green, movement, and that we're at the forefront of that.
What kind of people might be the perfect fit for the apprenticeship?
I mean, any type of person, as long as you're willing to get up and go to work every day, you can be successful in this trade. But the hours are, early mornings, and if you have to commute an hour and a half to get to your job, then you're going to have to get up in what most people consider the middle of the night in order to get there. But that affords you getting finished work at 3 p.m, right? So it's a give and take scenario. But honestly, it's the same for every career out there right now. It's just a matter of finding people that show up to work every day is the big thing. That's the biggest thing. You can't keep a job if you don't show up to it. So.
Exactly. Yeah. For sure. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
All right. Thanks.